friends, I'm back with a new video. This video is not a regular video because this video is about unboxing video. I think you know about that because you watched the thumbnail actually at first. So actually I'm telling about the main reason that I'm making this video. That one of my friend has asked me that in this price range, if you bought a smartwatch, if it will be worth it or not. So actually I'm just actually experimental purpose, I've just ordered it from Paytm. As you see the box, yes, it is here. It is from Paytm. I ordered it from Paytm because I got a good deal with it. I got a 62 rupees cashback in my Paytm wallet, and it was actually a very cheap price than a regular Amazon or Flipkart. So I actually preferred to buy it from Paytm. So I'll be doing a small unboxing video with a small review with this smartwatch and dividing it with pros and cons. So watch this video till the end. Not wasting too much time, let's get started. So here is the box, you can see guys. That is typical packaging from Paytm. This is going to be my first experience from Paytm. Actually before that I never bought anything from Paytm. So let me open it quickly. So first you can see that this packaging. Slide it down. Show you guys. Here is the real bill. It actually costs $565 here, as you can see. I'll pause the video and see. Open it up quickly. Here it is. The A1 smartwatch will be written over there. And open it up. Here's my knife. The packaging was good, I would say, in this price range. Okay, open it up. Let's see. There's the battery over there. It is 380 mAh. An extra cable to get with it, USB cable, and here is the main watch, and nothing is inside. Okay, so let me open it up. So here is the watch, guys. Here is the charging point. You can see that there's a camera option there. You can see the plastic over there. Let me open it up. And there is a back cover. You can see that actually can be wrapped out. Here it is. And I think there was some battery left. Battery charge will left. I can show you guys. sorry for that. Just fixed out. Now quickly set it up. Let's open it. You see there no branding is over there. Just written over there the smartwatch. Actually, in this price range, whatever the band or whatever the smartwatches you will bought, you will do the same opening page. Okay, so it is. You see that. I would say in this price range, the touch quality is too good, because still now I didn't found any touch issues with it. So you can see that camera option is there, Facebook, WhatsApp, pedometer, camera capturing options are there. You can cut this, you can back this with this button. I would say you guys, with this decent price range, the quality is not decent. Okay, so the band quality is too good, and the wristband is also good. Okay, so let me take you to the inside of this smartwatch. The typical battery section is over there. You can drop it out, and you can see that there is an option of inserting a memory card and option of inserting a SIM card. Actually, that has been written over there. It can support up to 4G. Okay. Actually, when I brought it on the website, it was written over there that is a 4G calling smartwatch. So okay, let me try it out and tell you guys my experience. So here you can see, guys, I have added a SIM card, 4G SIM card with it, and it actually works nice. And the memory card of 16GB is also added with it, and it also works fine. You can see that. Let me call with a number. Okay, my phone is here. Okay, let me call it up. Touch function is too good, I would say. You can see that I've called to my number, and my 4G SIM card is over it. You can see that sound. You can see. Okay, let me call down. So function is too good. You can see that there is option of call recording if your memory card is inserted, so you don't have to worry. And here you can see that camera option is there. You can see that the camera is there. Camera is not a good quality, I would say. The time this showing here, because of that I have till not set it up this time, so the time is not showing in real. Due to the options are there, you can connect your Bluetooth headphones with it. There's a message option. You can write message from direct to here. You can scan QR code, and option of Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp is there. I don't know why this feature is added with it, but the WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook option are not working. You can see that whenever I'm starting with, it's just saying that please wait and just gone up. I don't know why this feature is added. If there is no option of accessing the WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, it shouldn't be there. Otherwise guys, It is a pretty good smartwatch, I would say, in this price range. And there's an option like pedometer. You can start step, count state. Reminder option is there. Alarm option is there. You can set up your alarm. You can detect your sleep monitor is there. So as I'm going to show you the memory card, here you can see that the file manager is here. I'm taking out, and this memory card option is there. I'm going to download because all of my files are there. You can see, I see, select a song and start. The sound quality is decent, I would say. Not too good in this price range, which was not expected also. So here it is. There's short review was there, but here I would say the battery is not even good, because I've started it with up of 50%, up of most probably 60% battery, but it actually goes down to 25%. I don't know why the battery is too bad here, but without this battery I would say the overall device is good. So here is a short unboxing for you guys. So now let me tell about the pros and cons. Actually I divided pros and cons. Actually first tell me about the pros of this watch. Here it is the watch, you can see that. In this watch I would say in this price range what we are getting actually very good phone with a memory card slot up to expandable up to 32 GB. That is actually pretty good in this price range. Actually the touch screen is very good, is very responsible, but actually what I didn't like this watch about, that is the battery life. The battery life is too decent, it's not good, and the feature of the WhatsApp, Twitter and Facebook, they're actually fake to be there, and just after some time that vanishes, and the WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter, any app does not open. So I didn't like this about this watch. So as I have told you that one of my friend asked me about the watch, that is does it what not. So that I actually bought it from Paytm. I got a good deal from that. So the video is still here. I hope that you guys liked it so much. If you want unboxing videos like this, and if you want to suggest me like any videos that you want review from me or unboxing videos like that, you can comment down the section below. I will do as per my capability. So make sure that you thumbs up this video if you like this video, and also subscribe this channel. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications like this video, and upcoming videos are coming, upcoming unboxing videos are coming. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.